Hey, this is Adam from PCC. We're here with a tankless water heater. This right here, we have a relocation from the standard water heater, which are more dangerous and they cost a lot more money, and you do run out of hot water. But with this system, it's endless. Over here, we have a controller, which is very simple. It's Wi-Fi compatible, so you could use it with your phone. We leave it at 120 because that's the hottest, but to your preference, you could turn it down as you please. Over here we have the cold water, which is a union valve and a pressure release if need be for servicing and maintaining it, which you should probably do every year just to be sure. We have our hot over here, which is the same thing. We got our union, our pressure release, which is right here. We're running out of the house. You cannot have it inside the house. It must be dripping outside. We have our insulating tube, which is part of inspection for the hots. And we have our gas line right here, which has the valve right here, which is mandatory. And we have a sediment drop right here. That way, if there is any rust or anything from the city lines, it gets caught right here and it doesn't go inside of your system. We've been promoting these and everybody loves them. They're low cost efficiency. You have endless amount of hot water. They're easy to install, and as you can see, they look very clean on the wall. The energy guide right here, you're only spending about $191 over a whole year. You know, the only down of these is they are a little bit of a pretty penny, but we could help you with that. We have financing, and in the end, they're really not that expensive. They'll save you the money in the long run.